What's up, YouTube? It's Daniel here, and this is my brother Billy Bob. So I wanted to show y'all something that I thought was pretty cool. He's homesick today, and I'm about to go to school. But he came up with this new thing called the Would you like to tell him what it's called?
The cough dab.
You want to show him how to do it?
Yes.
That was pretty cool. I think Cam Newton's jealous. Well, thanks for watching. Bye.